Hey, hello. Welcome to our new English class. I am Mr. Lazaro Reyes, your favorite teacher. I hope you can enjoy this class because this topic is really useful in our daily life. I wish you can learn all about my class. The instructions for today are please be quiet, watch the video, and analyze all the things that I give you. I hope you can learn all about this topic and you can get all the ideas that I will give you. The topic for today is the connectors. Maybe you are asking, what are the connectors? Connectors are used to link large group of words, phrases, and sentences. You can also use them to connect programs to give them coherence. Sentences connector are usually placed at the beginning of the sentences and may be categorized as follows. Here we have the name of the connector. We have connectors of addition, connector of comparison, connector of contrast, connector of concession, the time, purpose, or and result and causes. Commonly used connector linking words. In addition, here we have the examples that are and, also, again, besides, equally, furthermore, to, moreover, what is more. From the connector of comparison, that there are like, in the same way, likewise, similarly, compared with, in comparison with. The connector of contrast, the connector are but, while, on the contrary, whereas, on the other hand. To continue, of concession, however, although, in spite of, style, yet, nevertheless, the connector of time, when, after, afterward, before, next, meanwhile, them, while. Connectors of purpose, so as to, so that, in order to, in order that, so as not. Connector of the result, consequently, as a result, therefore, so, that's why. Connector of cause, because, due to, owing to, as, since, and so in that. One example here using the different connector we already learned. Pay attention, please. For example, I want to talk to Prince Harry when I am in England. Here we have the first sentences. Then we have a connector that is also. Also, I want to meet his sister-in-law. Here we have a big example. We are going to divide the first sentences and the second sentence. For example, in the example number 2, cutting down on sugar will help you lose weight. Point. Period. And the connector, in the same way, this is the connector with the other sentences. Doing more exercise will help you run off a few kilos. The example number 3. England has the best language school. The connector, on the other hand, it has the worst weather. The example number 4. This restaurant has the best kitchen in town. The connector is, however, their staff are quite rude. Another examples. This morning, I ate fried banana for breakfast. Then, that's the connection, I had some blueberries pancakes. While the another connector, talking the bus to school. I read my comic, another collector. Finally, we reach the school gate. As you can see in these examples, we can find more than one connector. Here we have three connectors for this paragraph. The second examples. She left work early in order to be at home with the children. Here we have or he don't have any connection. It is only a unique sentences. Read it again. She left work early in order to be at home with the children. We don't have any connector. The next examples. We are going to experience some meteor shower in the next few days. The connector, here we have one connector. Therefore, the number of miracles self-healing will rise. The end. I stayed at my office because it was raining. What is the connector? Because that is the connector. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you can learn all about the connector topics. I wish you are going to see you in the next class. Clap a lot. Enjoy the life. God bless you.